Welcome back to the 3 months of Modal Logic, the sequel to 100 Days of Logic, or Logic 201, here with Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing with our focus on temporal logic for November, looking at linear time logic, also known as LTL. So, a common use of these new operators is a system known as LTL, or linear time logic. The system only contains operators that deal with the future, namely G, X, and U. It is commonly used in computer science. In this video, we're briefly going to explore the axioms of the system. I'm not going to explain those axioms. We're not going to give too many examples. We're just going to kind of get our feet wet, because this is a pretty complicated and separate topic that we don't have time to go into. So, there are a couple of axioms included in this system that we've seen already. We will, of course, include all of our standard predicate calculus rules and those kind of axioms as well. We have the temporal modal logic axiom, KG. We have the temporal modal logic necessitation rule. We have the temporal modal logic axiom, KX, and the next time functionality axiom. Those are all axioms we've seen before. There are also going to be a couple of new axioms we're going to include. A reflexive recursive definition of G, an inductive principle regarding X and G, a reflexive recursive definition of U, and a principle regarding least fixed points and completeness. All of these, like I said, are pretty complicated, and we are not going to get into a full explanation of them in this video. But what I want you to do is try to figure them out on your own. Do some research, figure out what all of those axioms really are saying about our stream of time and what they really mean. I highly encourage this. Maybe at some point in the future we'll get back to LTL and we'll offer some better definitions of them. But for now, look at the axioms, try out your temporal logic skills, and see if you can make sense of them. Up next, we're going to start on some fun stuff. We're going to be looking into branching time. This is going to be non-linear time, time that doesn't follow that linearity or connectedness or trichotomy rule. Branching time and the actual future. Watch a new video every single day for 100 days here at Carneades.org, and stay skeptical, everybody.